I just want to unbox something new because I bought this during the Sephora sale, the 25% off for the Rouge, remember? So today I'm gonna do unboxing the biggest item that I bought on Sephora, and it's like once in a year that you have a sale and you can get this. So why not? Because I kind of want to upgrade this to like all-in-one tool, so I don't have to just keep buying all the hair products. I'm gonna unbox this, open this. Yeah, got it. So there's an Airwrap. Dyson Airwrap. This is the Dyson Airwrap Co-anda 2X, straight and wavy. But then beside this Airwrap, I have to buy my own hair straightener, my own hair curler, and then I have to use different tool, and it takes a long time to set it up and put the things together, and it's sometimes I don't even use it. But this time with this new Airwrap, I can do everything using one tool. So basically you have the hair dryer here, you have two curling different sizes, you have the straightener, and then you have the volume. Is it? Yeah. Smooth savior, and then the volume is this one. So it's like all in one tool. It's really expensive, but I guess it's time to upgrade and then make my hair looks better. So let's open this. Do I have to open this? This is Dyson Airwrap, the 2X, the latest version, and the color is really nice compared to the other box. This one is more like a velvety texture. The other one, it feels like it's more, it's kind of easy to get dirty, but, and then you can scan for the QR code, I guess. And so there's what in here. This is the Dyson. Oh my god, it's so heavy. So it's got a big outlet. And this is the whole thing. The Dyson is in a mauve purplish color. Look at the color, so cute. Listen how much it holds a lot of power in this one. And then we have the manual. We have start with the hair straightener, black one, and then we have this one is for volume. Is that what it said? It's volume. Let me put it down. So heavy. This one is like brush for volume. The next one is this one. This is more the hair dryer. This one is for what is this for? I really don't remember. This for oh yeah, so this dry, this curling, two curling iron. This one is straighten, this one is smooth, and this one is volume. So the round one is volume, and this one is smooth. So make your hair smooth. And then I guess there's one other things. Oh, two of the curling iron in here. one. And then there's this. So, and then that's it. In the box. So you can keep everything in the box, so easy to use, or you can like do whatever to set up your hair area. So I'm gonna just use this box for later, but basically right now my hair is like towel dry. I'm gonna try to use it with the hair dryer first. Try with this one. Okay, I just plug it into the power, and now we're gonna try the hair dryer. Oh, and I think there's a power button and then a cold dry, and then there, instead of put it on top, I think they will put it down here for the fan, how strong the fan is, the wind is, and then how hot it is at the bottom right now. And then there's the lock and the unlock. So lock, unlock to take it out. Oh, so unlock and lock to take out the head. Let's see.